Hello everyone, this is Ashu Trivedi here. You are most welcome on my YouTube channel, Ashu Official. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get such useful content which can help you to improve your spoken English. So today I'm here with Amrit. So just tell me how are you feeling right now?
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. And I am faced to this podcast in first time, so I am very happy and very confident.
Oh, that's great to hear. Okay. So can you please introduce yourself to our listeners
Okay,
as
thank
you're
you, sir.
joining for the first time?
My name is Samrit Raj Chauhan. I belong to Azamgarh, but currently I live in Kanpur. My family consists of 6 members, including me. As far as my academic qualification is concerned, I have 10th standard in UP board, 12th standard in same board. Currently, I am pursuing Doctor of Philosophy from Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur, and I have a professional player of kabaddi, and I have many times participated in state, national, and all India.
Oh, that's great to hear about you. A very nice introduction of yours. Okay, now related to spoken English. How did you start learning spoken English and why?
Sir, because I am a research scholar, so I am decided to why not I am speaking English, because in any meeting we are going to the any places there are many types of professor in sitting in front of me, so that this is my responsibility ki I am communicate to the English proper English, so impact is very good and interaction is very good.
Exactly. And what is your area of research?
Like this, physical education, infrastructure and facilities is my topic.
Oh, that's very nice. Okay, now what difficulties did you face while learning English?
Sir, I am not any difficulties to face English speaking, because we are always we are reading we are reading in UP board. I am pure UP board student, so in my background is totally Hindi. So at that time this is a different, but at this time the our English is very important. So I am just try to speak to English speaking, and after some words we are very hesitated to communicate to any places or any communication. So I am not feeling to.
Exactly, of course, hesitation or this low confidence, lack of practice that happens when it happens with everyone. Okay. So another question is, how is Intime Academy helping you to improve your spoken English?
Sir, the Intime Academy is very good because it's provided facility like that. One was to one is very important to communicate to the another person, and we are friend to support to any time, and like that. If you are any topic like that, uh, private schools and government sector, there are many challenges to face like that. My friends help me to any conversation, any words we are not aware to the any particular word they are provided, and the sir is very important role like that. Sir is a facilitator to an institute and is provided to any difficulties to any time. She is supported to always.
Exactly. He's a great supporter to all
That's
of us,
all
and
of
he's helping us to improve or speak better English,
yes.
right? Okay. So another question goes to you. How do you think English will help you in your future career or education?
So according to me, the Hindi is also important, but nowadays the English is very important to communicate to the another. Like that, if you have any time like that, a Russia person come to the India and he is always understanding to English language. So in my responsibility, I am communicate to the English. So this is a very important to communicate to the any person to native language. Basically, our India is a native language Hindi, but we are pressurized to the taught English speaking, because if you are going to the any countries or any places, you are survive
You have
to
to
simple
learn
way
English to survive there.
survive any
Exactly.
places.
And what is your future goal? What do you want to be?
Sir, in my short term goal, I am want a teacher, and my long term goal, I am want to assistant professor.
You want to become an assistant professor.
Yeah.
All the best for that. I hope you will be there one day. Okay. So another question goes to you. What advice would you give to someone who is just starting to learn spoken English? What advice?
So in my point of view, any as parents who are speaking the English, don't pressurize to that I am not learning, I am not learning this language. This is a like the process. This is like process, and you always take a time and regular practice and regular watching the video and regular communicate to the other. So after that, you are after 2 months, after 3 months, you are feel I am learning something is new language like that English speaking.
Yeah, exactly. Any language, if you want to learn, it takes time, right? Even though for Hindi, it took time for us to learn.
Like that we are infantilized, we are not directly speak to the Hindi.
Yeah,
Slowly we are going to the Hindi language like that ka kha ga ga anga, and so the English speaking is the A to Z. In take a time, and you feel after some time you taught this language.
exactly. And we are always surrounded by Hindi 24 by 7, but not by English. That is, we
This
don't
is
have spoken
this is
English
a very
environment.
impact to our speaking like that. We are our surrounding. Mostly people are speaking Hindi, but if you have like that, in Time Academy provided a atmosphere,
Right.
and this institute provided the atmosphere, and you easily speak to English speaking.
Exactly, because environment plays a vital role in our spoken English learning. Okay, so moving to the final question of the session, that is, what do you think about this podcast and how will it help you in building confidence?
So I am a confident as parents, but thank you, sir. Please give me opportunity to face the podcast. In future, any uh, in platform, I am suggest to the any aspirants who are seeing my video answer, and always motivate to the speak English speaking. Don't panic and always practice and be regular to any situation. So Asu sir is a very great at because the Ashu sir is also in institute learning the English speaking. So this is a very good opportunity to face to Ashu sir.
Oh, thank you so much. It's so kind of you. Like I don't deserve those words, but thank you so much for that. And just all the best to everyone. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.